Every day, Legal Aid of Napa Valley is providing free bilingual legal services to residents of Napa County. We represent seniors, immigrants, and low-income individuals by helping them protect their rights through consultation, education, referrals, and advocacy, both in the courtroom and with outside agencies. It's not an exaggeration to say that the presence of legal aid is a basic requirement for our civilized society here in Napa County. Our office is the only protection many in our community have against economic predators, abusers, and/or discrimination. Many in the community utilize our services. Friends, family, coworkers, employees, neighbors. We receive an average of 50 calls per day. Clients fall into one of our 3 program areas: baseline, immigration, or senior services.
Baseline refers to the federal poverty line, so that means that my clients are the poorest people in the entire county, and they're a very vulnerable population. They are often illiterate or uneducated or undereducated. They often don't speak English. Our services are bilingual. They are often struggling with domestic violence issues, although not always. I deal with restraining orders, custody issues where there's domestic violence, evictions and eviction defense, and other, basically we prioritize to find the most dire but non-criminal legal issues. So the people that I see are maybe the most desperate people in the county. They are poor and vulnerable and facing something very scary. So when they come in, they almost always cry, and I try and help them. I sometimes go to court with them. I at least orient them and explain the legal process to them, explain the laws about what they're dealing with. Often they don't really understand their situation, why they're there, what the court is looking for, what has to happen to get them where they want to go. And we don't stop helping them until they feel a lot better. They at least feel oriented and they feel confident that they can handle this matter and that it'll be okay.
And at Legal Aid, we're able to help immigrants with a variety of cases. We assist people apply for naturalization to obtain citizenship here in the United States, and also assist people who want to petition for their relatives, both inside and outside of the country. We also take cases related to violent crimes, which are specifically the U visa cases and the trafficking cases. And we assist juveniles who were abused or abandoned here in the United States apply for a visa so they could actually stay here and apply for their permanent residency in the future. We're able to represent people before immigration court and be able to assist people fight their deportation if they are placed in removal. And without your help and without legal aid, a lot of immigrants would be displaced outside of legal offices and seek help somewhere else.
I work with people who are not only seniors but live alone and are low income. And if you combine all those things together, you have a very vulnerable population. So one of the things I help my seniors with, unfortunately, is the prevention of elder abuse, because oftentimes we have family members coming back into the home and then start abusing their mothers or grandmothers or grandfathers. And so what I have to do is get a kick-out order and restraining order. These are very difficult cases, and they're very sad cases. And the other way our seniors are victimized are by debt collectors who call and tell our seniors that the sheriff is going to come and arrest them, or otherwise they will be harmed. And I have to let the seniors know that's not the case, and then I ask the seniors to have all phone calls, all written correspondence come to me, and I will deal with the debt collectors. The other things I do I do a lot of small estate planning. A lot of people think I'm low income, I don't need to have this, but actually everybody needs small estate planning because in addition to simple wills, we need to have documents set up so that if something should happen to ourselves that where we can't make decisions, we need somebody there that will do that for us. And unfortunately, it has to be in writing. So I go throughout the valley and I set up estate planning documents. I have a very fulfilling job because the results of the assistance that I provide my clients are quite evident. Oftentimes, my clients tell me they can sleep at night now, or their blood pressure has gone down, that they live in peace in their home again. And so it's very rewarding work, and it really has made an impact on hundreds and hundreds of seniors living here in Napa County. Without legal aid, I don't know what these seniors would do.
The most beautiful thing is the gratitude of our clients. Sometimes we receive donations of clients that have been receiving our immigration services or family law services, and they just keep saving money month by month, and they arrive here with $1,000 or $500 or $300 with the bills in the way that you know that they have been keeping saving every month for legal aid, and they are very, very thankful with us.